What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Abate Cooks. So today, we're back in the kitchen. We got a dozen eggs for you boys. I don't actually know how many styles we're gonna cook here, but we're just gonna, YOLO. I know Gordon Ramsay had his little cooking tutorial on YouTube. Before we get this started, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys go down below, butter up those rolls, subscribe. This is good. Brandon, don't do that shit again. We made sure this time, ladies and gentlemen, to get all prepared. So we got the eggs, we got the spatula. This is a spatula, right?
No.
What is this, go whiskey duty? So we got the whiskey do. We got the knife. We got the pepper, and we got the salt. We got the bowl, so that way we can whisk up the eggs for this one. Like a little 1-2 yum. The first one we're gonna try to cook. What should we do here? Try to cook like a little sunny side up?
Yep.
First egg we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna cook a sunny side up egg. Just your basic egg. When your mom woke you up in the morning before school and she said, son, today's the day we're cooking you a little egg with a salt and pepper. You gotta make sure this is the, so this is left, this is right. Turn it on a little medium. I don't know what you guys use when you guys cook an egg, but today's tutorial, what I usually like to do, this is another one. Bro, did you chop? Bro, don't tell me that you cut your skin off with your toes and put it on here, did you? What is that? What is, no, for real, what is that, bro? Is that your toe skin? You gotta make sure this is getting nice and warm. Gotta get the pan nice. Ah, shit. Nice and hot. So before you cook any sort of egg, this is something, when I was a kid, I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid, eggs was the #1 thing that I cooked. Eggs and 2 slices of toast. So I would have about 10 eggs and 2 slices of toast. I'm not kidding, I would have about 10 eggs every single day. I was one of those chubby kids that play Guitar Hero and loved to eat eggs every day. Just want to use enough to make sure that the egg gets nice and... Okay, this is not looking so well.
Use a fucking butter knife.
Let me make sure that we cut a little dinky winky piece off of this goddamn butt, if you know what I'm saying. Just make sure you get a little piece of like this. You gotta make sure right here, come a little bit closer, Gordon Ramsay's cooking in the kitchen. So you gotta make sure that you just stir around this butter nice and firm, get it all around. There we go, a tinky winky, all over the pan, juice it up. You gotta make sure you cream that pan up. Put that knife down. Like Arnold would say, put the knife down. Now we get the eggs. I bought them about a year ago, so I gotta make sure they're still they're not expired. Where's the expiry date? Okay, here we go, yeah. June 22nd, 2017. We're doing really good. Just like old wine. It tastes better as the years go on. So now we're gonna take 1 egg. We're just gonna crack it like so. Right on here. You don't wanna make it too high. You gotta make it leveled, like about a 20 centimeters tall. So that's about a good length right there. Let it like go all over the butter. Look at that. Look at that nice egg. Look at it cook. Let it cook all the way, and then you take your pepper and you take your salt and you pour it on the egg. I don't know about you guys, but I like to eat my shells afterwards. That is so good. Don't do this. All right, so now that you see the egg, it's bubbling, it's cooking, it's looking good. You gotta make sure it's flapping up and down. Gotta be sure it's talking. It's talking. See, look at. So now that it's talking, that's when you put the salt and pepper on here. So first we're gonna take some salt. Yeah. All right. There we go. Now we take some pepper. Oh yeah, there we go. Now a little bit more pepper, guys. Just a little bit more. There we go. Now that you can barely see the egg, that's how you know that it's seasoned up very good. I think it's stuck. Hold on. Here we go. All right, now it's cooked. Look at this. Look at this egg. See how nice it is? You can see the salt, you can see the pepper, you can see the yolk. It's nice and yellow. Perfect. Make sure the butter drips down in this bad boy. That's how you gotta get all the flavor and the juices. Yeah, nice and wet. Gotta make that egg nice and wet. Round 1 of the egg is done. That's one of my favorite eggs. Number 2 for the eggs, I'm gonna do an over easy. One of my favorite restaurants here is called John's Restaurant. And I used to go there almost every single Sunday. Where's the butter? Here it is. Here's the butter. Gotta get a little bit more butter action. Where's that knife? Where's that knife? So now we're gonna take the egg like the other one, except this time, we gotta make sure. Now this time, we gotta make sure it's a little lower so this one doesn't crack. Now, like I said, you do have to eat these afterwards. Now that the egg is cooking up, gonna make sure, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So this one you cook a little bit differently. You wanna make sure that the egg isn't actually fully cooked before you wanna make that little flipperoo. But this one's gonna be a little bit of fancy, so you gotta make sure, I'm a trained professional for this. I've trained 25 years of my life to be able to flip the most perfect egg you will ever see in your life. It's a little bit not cooked at the top. See how it's a little bit still yolky, a little yolky dokey. So you gotta make sure you get a ramadama all over the slamma of the pama. You gotta make sure you go like this. Watch. I'm a trained professional. Remember this. I'm trained. Yeah. You see? What did I tell you? Trained professional. Don't do this at home, kids. Make sure you got at least 15 years of experience. This one on the pan. This one right here for little kiddaroos. Scrambled eggs. Oh, shit! I dropped the butter on the pan. Don't do that. That's not a part of the tutorial. A little light piece. Just like this, slab it on like that. You gotta make sure the butter, once again, the butter's nice and wet. Scrambled eggs has gotta be one of my favorite eggs to do. So this one, you gotta make sure, see how it's nice and hot now. Now we can cook these eggs at a top speed, at a high top speed. So we gotta cut. We gotta crack these eggs. This one has gotta be about 35 centimeters up high like this. Just like that. Nice and splattered up. Got about 2 or 3 eggs like this. Nice and top like this. Look at it. This one, we do it down about 5 centimeters high like this. Yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend making scrambled eggs like this. Make sure that you just whisk it up. Just whisk it up nice like that. You see, just whisk it up. Now this is the reason why I don't put it in a bowl and whisk it up is because this one, you gather up all the flavor with the butter. You let it simmer in there, nice white and yellow, just get it all whiskey-disky. So you see how these scrambled eggs are getting nice little color. If you can see those scrambled eggs turn into a nice orangey yellow, like you pick the oranges off the tree, this is how it should look, nice orangey yellow. All right, get some salt. Gotta make sure you put lots of salt on there. You need lots of flavor. Yeah. Like I said, trained professional. Oh no, never mind. No, oh shit, don't watch this, guys. Don't, hold on, don't burn your fingers. There we go, all right. Mix them around, little salt and pepper action. Oh shit, hold on, shit. There we go. All right. Gotta get the spatula. Gotta put the eggs. So we gotta make sure we get sections here. This is like when you go to a restaurant and you ask for the lumberjack meal and they bring you like 18 pounds of food. We got 18 pounds of eggs about to be cooked. So now we got the sunny side up. We got the over the doverty tipsy whipsy over easy. And we got the scrambly dambly and then the cow wambly. Okay, we're gonna make a little boiled egg, a little poachy doachy egg. So now we're gonna just let this get boiled. Shit.
I wish he wiped it.
I broke my knee there. You wish I wiped it. Why? So I like snap my head and get boing and then fall on the ground. That's all, folks.
That's the piggy that does it though, eh?
The piggy, yeah. That's all, folks. All right, guys. This is something I have never done in my entire life. So what we're gonna be doing, poachy doachy. So it's called a poached egg. You're gonna take an egg. You're gonna crack it right here. You're gonna make sure you don't burn your. So when it's boiling, put your pinky in the water to see that if it's shit. You take the egg, you open it. There we go. Oh, that looks weird. Look at that being cooked, man. Looks like a ghost. Is that actually how it's supposed to be done?
You have to swirl it.
Dude, wait, hold on. You gotta swirl it. Here, let me put a couple more in here. Let me put a couple more in here so it can swirl. There we go. Swirl the egg. Where's the whisker? Where's the whiskey disky?
Right there.
You put it here?
Yep.
Oh, why did I put it there? So now, once you put the egg in here, you gotta swirl it. So you gotta swirl the egg, make sure, see that foam action? That's whipped cream, so that's the best part. So that's the dessert afterwards. When you see that foam at the top, you gotta make sure you take a spoon. Where's the spoon? Oh shit, dude. What happened? Brandon, Brandon, we're getting...
Hey, Brandon!
Shit, we gotta cool it down. Cool it, blow on it, cool it down.
You're the best blower in town, buddy.
Now we gotta make sure we get the spoon. We gotta get the foam. The foam, this is the whipped cream, guys. So this is the best part. This is what you put in your lattes at Starbucks. Look how poachy it is, man. We're cooking. Now we take the poached egg out. See that right there? This is the perfect poachy. Now we just stick it right there. Oh my gosh. And now we gotta make sure you take the whipped cream that you put in your lattes at Starbucks. Now put it over top like that. Ooh, there we go. In there, if you want to drink it after for some extra protein, have at it.
It's just because it's wet on the bottom there.
There we go. Okay. Let's let this boil a little bit. Hold on, wait. Hello? Why is it making... Hello? Okay. It's making noise, man. Is it supposed to do that?
Yeah.
We got one more egg coming for you guys. One more tutorial. And then, then we're gonna taste test these bad boys. These all look so delicious. If I was at a restaurant, I would definitely not order this. Now that we got the water boiling for the second time, we got a little 1-2 egg. You gotta just shove it in the water. You don't wanna make sure you put lots of it. Ooh, well, that's okay. It's gonna boil pretty tough anyway. There we go. Should we just keep put another one in there? Oh, you want me to throw this one at your forehead after? Let these boil for a good 30 to 45 minutes. What do you think? 45 minutes? How long do you think an egg's gonna be cooked for?
6 minutes.
6 minutes? How about 7?
Sure.
No, we'll just let it cook for about 3 minutes. We got a special guest for the hard-boiled egg. What's your name?
Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We are cooking 3 eggs, okay? Have you ever tried a hard-boiled egg in your life or any sort of eggs?
Yeah.
You tried an egg before?
Yeah.
What's your favorite type of egg style?
Boiled egg?
Boiled egg, so this is the best egg you've ever had?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we've been boiling these eggs for a good 50 minutes.
Okay.
So what do you think about that? It's a good time to cook boiled eggs?
I think 30 minutes will be.
30 minutes to cook a boiled egg?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. So we're about over. I like your hair today.
Thank you.
It looks good. It looks really good. It looks like an Xbox character. You look really good. Now, scusa, fate video. I burnt my hands. So now we're gonna take the egg. You see this one right here? Look at this one. See how it's like splooging at the end? What do you think that means?
I don't know.
Okay, good. I don't know either. We're gonna put the eggs right here, like so. Now, see all these eggs are the compartment, right? This is like science class in college.
Yeah,
So
different
now-
types of eggs, right?
Different types of eggs. Yeah. So what's that one called?
Yeah, half boil.
This one right here.
Sunny side.
Sunny side. Yeah. Okay, you got 1 point. What's this one called?
Scramble egg?
No. This one right here. The
I
white.
don't know.
This one. Okay, this is a poached.
Okay.
Say it.
Poached.
Okay, good. Now this one right here. This is an over easy.
Okay.
Right. Say it.
Over easy.
Okay, good. Now this one. What's this one?
Scramble egg.
Okay, good one. And then this one right here.
Boiled egg.
Boiled egg. Congratulations. You just won the game show contest. Let's come close. I'm gonna show you the tutorial. Come close. All right, come close. There we go. So tutorial like this. Like, wait, see it? Like, see it? See that? That's nice and boiled. See how it's like getting like little egg spews come up? What's that called?
I don't know.
That's what it's called. Good job. Thank you so much. All right, good. Thank you. So now, without further ado, we got all the eggs right here. We got, what did you say your name was?
Nick.
Harmony?
Nick.
Oh, Nate.
Nick. N-I-K Nick.
Oh, Nick.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna subscribe to the channel?
Definitely.
Okay, you know what my channel is?
No.
It's Hurry.
Okay.
Hurewie. Hurry.
Perfect.
Good. All right. All right, guys, you heard it first. Subscribe to the channel. Hurry. Now we're gonna do the official taste test. So we got all the. What are you looking at?
The camera.
Like this. We got a little. This is gonna be Brandon's egg.
No, I'm gonna eat this.
We got Ross Boss over here trying to do a little taste test with us.
Scrambled eggs.
Yeah,
Do the scrambled. These should
All right,
be good.
cheers. Say the date.
June 22nd. These ones are not that bad.
Best eggs ever or what?
No, I wouldn't go that far. They're not that bad.
They're actually pretty tasty. Actually, not gonna lie. All right, let's try this one. See a little tastery right here. You know how good. Say the date again.
January 26th.
All right, ready? Go. It's like a sponge, eh? What?
These definitely are expired.
Why?
Because they taste like ass and vinegar.
It actually does taste like vinegar, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Why don't we just call this a pepper egg?
Pepper egg, I know, it's got so much. You try this side with the pepper on it. Because that's the best part. That's how grandma used to do it, spinning in her wheelchair. Alright, ready?
Grandma!
Cheers. Grandma!
That's a lot of salt and a lot of pepper.
That's the point, right? Woo. Italian made. This is the poached egg. First time ever making a poached. This one can be yours. You get the juice on yours.
Which one?
That one, the juice.
Oh, this is my first time.
Yeah, this is my first time eating a poached. My stomach's already hurting.
Ready?
June 22nd.
June 22nd.
I think so far that's the best one yet. You're like the gooey? You just ate a bunch of semen.
Oh my god, don't say that. I'm gonna puke.
The hard-boiled egg looks the exact same, it's just in a shell.
Alright, this one?
Yeah.
Alright,
Right
ready?
there, we got the taste test. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. 1 second. You know what? Probably the best one yet.
You could throw that at a wedding.
Yeah, we could serve that at a wedding, honestly. That's probably the best one we could ever have. You're doing the raw egg, bro. Yeah, do it for the video. So Brandon here, so we just... Brandon's gonna eat a raw egg now. So he's gonna attempt to eat 1 raw egg. I know that's probably nothing.
Expired egg.
1 raw June 22nd expired egg for Brandon. Dun is gonna do this shit. He's gonna eat 1 raw egg. Oh hey, what's up? Halimando, what's up, man? You're just eating 1, right? Then I can pelt the other one at you?
Watch this. You gotta see. Watch.
Alright, I'm seeing.
You got this?
Yeah.
Got this shit? Oh yeah.
Nice raw
Oh
egg.
yeah, you like that? Look at this. It just goes right down the f***ing throat. Oh, let's do more PG.
Yeah, no, don't worry. I'm gonna put dolphin noise.
Like right down the throat.
Dolphin noise.
Right down the chute.
Dolphin noise. Oh, he did it! He did it!
Just like Arnold.
Just like Arnold used to do it.
Subscribe to Chris Abate.
Thumbs up. Let's throw this camera over the fence.
You gotta do one raw. I'm not gonna do it hard. I'll just do it like. Yeah, right. You got this on film. You good? You got a good one?
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Go. Oh my god! That is not good.
Listen up, cause I'll break it down.
Alright guys, thanks so much.
Get to places I want to go. Straight to the top, no never. It's
like right.
Do it in style, I'm gonna.
Alright guys, subscribe, leave a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for tuning into the video. Alright, come on, you gotta clean this off my asshole.
Pay attention so you know. Look at me.